Oh, why isn't my air conditioner blowing cold? It's hot. It is so hot. Oh, I can figure this out and I can help you. Oh, so I was wondering, why isn't my house air conditioner blowing cold? Pay attention. This is how you can make your home air conditioner blow colder. Look at the vent, the intake cover from my house. Didn't realize this until I was changing the AC filter. I realized it was absolutely caked in dust, and that's going to prevent airflow. That's going to prevent your air conditioner from blowing cold. It will also put excessive wear and tear and possibly break your air conditioner. So here's what I'm going to do. We're going to get some compressed air. That's going to be phase one. This is going to be how we start off getting all this caked on dust, mold, mites. I don't know what's on here, but we're going to blow it out. You can use a broom for this. You can use a paintbrush for this, anything you can do. My goodness. And I was wondering why my air conditioner wasn't blowing. Is it cold as it used to? I thought it was a simple change of the AC filter. And the filter looked half decent. This does not. Imagine how much airflow restriction was happening. It was choking my air conditioner. And I got a big boy. I got a big air conditioner and it was not popping, but now it is. Phase two, it was looking so ugly. I went ahead, I scrubbed it with a wire brush. We're going to repaint it because we're going for aesthetics as well as performance. Then I'm going to take my pressure washer. You can use your hose and a scrub brush, and you're going to clean this out as well as you can. Don't forget to flip this thing over and get all that dust from the inside, okay? Now it's clean, it's scrubbed, it's smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the primer. Then we're gonna hit it with some white paint and make it look a lot better. It's gonna look better. My air conditioner is going to be cold, so will yours. And it's also gonna look nice again. Here we go. Well, I'm gonna show you the aftermath. I had 2 cans of old spray paint that was out of compression. So I'm colorblind, it looks good to me. I used several different cans of spray paint to go on here. Only half of it was primed, but it looks good, it looks ready to roll, and definitely performance of the air conditioner will